Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and the application process of the ESR tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 16. I've already done a video on the iPhone 16 unboxing and first impressions. If you want to check it out, the card is right here. And I've done a review on this case. If you want to check it out, you can just click on the card right here. It'll show you. So hopefully you like those videos. Anyways, so the reason I bought this screen protector and not the Spigen ones, if you've watched previous videos of my channel, is that this thing has a very nice feature or a unique feature, I must say. And I feel that this is far better than what Spigen offers currently. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, unlike Spigen, this thing has 3 screen protectors, so that's very good. And I got it for like 1400 rupees. Anyways, so as you can see, press here. That's what it says. That's for the application process. So as we open, we have QR code for watching how to apply the screen protector for the iPhone 16. I mean, you won't really need that. Here you have the, again, scan to watch a video. We won't need that. And you also have bed wipes and cleaning cloth. Always nice to have. You also get stickers to remove any leftover dust. You even have a squeegee. Very interesting design. I like it. And these are your screen protectors. So you have 3 of them. So what we're going to do is, first of all, open the phone. If you're using a case, it's obviously remove it because you won't need a case during the installation process. I recommend turning off the phone just in case you want to see any leftover particles and dust and all that. So it makes things easier. So first thing what I'd like to do is just use a wet wipe. So take one and open it up and just clean your phone. Oops. All right. All right, that looks clean enough. Now we're going to use the cleaning cloth. Okay. Just notice one thing, just make sure that this part right here is attached to top part, because that's how it's going to hold it in place. And so make sure to do that before applying this. Now I'm just going to give it a nice wipe down one more time. All right, looks good. We're going to place it over here. All right, put this on. And now pull this tab. Just press and hold for around 30 seconds just to make sure it completely settles down and attaches to the display properly. I think that should be good. Open the phone, open this thing and remove it. Just peel this off. Beautiful. Look at that. You got a little bit of just one small bubble here. We're going to remove it with the squeegee. There you go. Give it, just to make sure there are no more air bubbles left. Looks absolutely beautiful. Perfect edge to edge installation. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You just saw how easy it was. If you follow these steps, you won't make any mistake. I guarantee you. This was far more simpler than applying the tray on top of the phone and putting the screen protector on and then doing all sorts of stuff. You don't need to do anything like that. You just gotta make sure that the screen protector, the top part of the screen protector, is attached to this part, which is the dynamic island, this part, so that when you pull the tab, the entire screen protector does not come off. It's just like any one of your good screen protectors. It's gonna withstand a lot of drops like easily, and it's definitely going to protect your phone from all sorts of accidents, and your screen is going to be in a very good condition. And of course, we'll just give it a test. Everything works as intended. As you can see, it's just perfect. So yeah, and also just to make sure, this screen protector is also case friendly. So I got a case here and it fits perfectly. No issues at all. And like I said, if you want to watch the video on this case, you can just click on the card right here like I showed you in the beginning. It's a very good case. All right, spoiler alert, it's a very good case. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it with the installation and unboxing. I highly recommend that you get 3 screen protectors for this. So one more thing I forgot to mention, that this screen protector is compatible with the iPhone 15. So let's just say if anyone in your family has an iPhone 15, you can use the same thing for it, as it has the same basically the same dimensions. Everything is exactly the same for the display, so you won't have any issues. So you can share amongst your family members or friends or whoever you want, and you can save a lot of money by doing that. So guys, that's pretty much it with the video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you want more of these iPhone 16 videos where I show you some cool accessories and all that, if you like such videos and me explaining and going through all the procedures, do let me know in the comments. It'll be really helpful to me so that I can make more videos that you all prefer in the future. So guys, that's pretty much it with the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.